let us do some of the morning yoga sequences. Starting with the neck stretch, you can sit in any comfortable position, cross-legged position. Place both your hands on your knees. See that your back is straight, shoulders are down, rolled back, neck straight. Very slowly, gently lift your neck up. See that your spine is straight. Slowly look in front, come down, touch your chin on your chest. Slowly look in front, second time, stretch it up, up, up. Gently come down. Look in front, move your neck to the left side. Slowly, right side. Again, left. Slowly, right. Come back. Now, drop your neck, your head to the left side. Gently, right side. Again, left. Slowly, right. Gently, come back. Now, place your right hand on your left knee, left hand upper. Stretch it up, up, up. Pull your spine up, lift your spine up. Stretch it. Inhale, exhale. Slightly bend towards your right side, garden left side. Your chest in front, abdomen slightly squeezed inside. And stay. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. The same other side. Left hand on your right knee, right hand up. Stretch it up, up, up. Yes, very good. And slowly bend to your left side. See that your chest is in front, spine straight, abdomen squeezed inside. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Slowly come down, look down. Straight stretch. Lift both your hands up. Yes, both hands are parallel to each other. Lift your spine up, stretch your body up. Your knees are pressing down, your upper body is pressing, pulling up. Look up, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down, neck down. One more time. Lift both your hands up. Interlock your fingers, palms facing the ceiling, and stretch it up. Maximum, pull your body. Yes, yes, maximum you can. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come down, neck down. Good. Look in front. Good. Now turn and place both your hands behind. Here, be careful that your one leg is up and one is down. That is known as Ardha Padmasana. So you can place your left leg up, right leg is down. Place both your hands behind at a comfortable distance so that you can press both your hands. Now look carefully. You have to roll your shoulders behind, push your chest in front, spine is straight. Slowly press your palms, lift your hips up, 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 up. Slightly walk your hands in front, push your spine in front and look back. You get a very good stretch on your back. Keep pulling. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even relax your legs here. 5. And slowly again come down. We'll repeat the same other side, but before that, place both your hands on your knees and squeeze. Relax your spine. Good. Slowly come back. We'll repeat the same other side. First we had kept the left leg on the right. Now we'll place your right leg above your left leg. Again, place both your hands behind. See that your chest is up, shoulders are rolled back. Press your palms, lift your spine, hips up. Relax the leg that is down. Your left leg in front, left leg, relax it. And pull all the way in front. Look back. Good. 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out. 4 and 5. Very slowly, take your legs inside and come down. Place both your hands on your knees and squeeze. Good. Slowly come back. And now you can stretch your legs in front. And relax your legs sideways. Move your legs sideways so that right from your thigh joints till your tips and toes, all the muscles, all your joints loosen up. It is a very good warm-up exercise for your leg muscles. Now move your knees up and down. We'll relax and make your knees ready for the exercise. Good. Bring both your legs together. Press your feet in front. See that your spine is straight. Flex your feet. Point your toes. Flex your feet. Point your toes. Flex your feet. Full rotation. Clockwise. 1, 2. See that your knees are locked. 3. Don't bend your knees. 4 and 5. We'll go reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now we'll fold your right leg, place it on your left thigh joint. Right? You will touch it on your left thigh joint. The left leg is straight. Try to flex your feet. Flexing your feet is your toes are inward. Dono haath se stretch both your hands up, up, up. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. You can hold the feet or interlock your hands and touch your knee. You can touch your forehead if you are comfortable. You can touch your chin. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Slowly, hands up. Place your hands behind. Press your palms. Lift your body up. And what you have to do here, your right hand is on the floor. Take your hand all the way behind and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Yes, we go for again forward bend. Inhale, stretch up, up, up. Exhale and down. Reach your knees, stay. 1, 2, don't forget to breathe. 3, 4, 5. Again, bring your hands down. Slow, up and slowly down. We'll repeat the same other side. So, straighten your right leg. Bend your left knee. Your left foot will touch your right thigh joint. Both hands. Stretch it up, up, up. Maximum. Yes, come on. Pull your spine up. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Inhale, exhale. Forward bend. Interlock your hands. Hold the toe. If you are here, it is completely okay. Keep your spine straight and look in front. You have to focus on your spine and keep pressing your spine in front. Slowly, slowly, you will increase your flexibility. But see that you don't hunch your back. Stay straight. Look here in front. Good. 1, 2, 3. Don't bend your knees. 4 and 5. Good. Slowly. Hands up. And now we'll place both your hands behind. Lift your body up. The leg that is straight, the same hand, that is my right hand, will move up, go behind, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Yes. We'll go again. Forward bend. Dono hath upar. Stretch it up, up, up. Yes, this time you will be able to do better. Good. Exhale and down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Slowly. Hands up. You can straighten both your legs up. Straight. In front. Stretch it up, up, up. Inhale. Exhale. Hold both your toes. Move down. Paschimottanasana. Both legs are straight. Both hands are touching your toes or your feet. Move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly bring your hands up and slowly down. Good. Now we'll go for wide legs. Straighten, spread both your legs. Yes, very good. Still more, still more. Yes, keep pushing. Good. Now, with the wide legs, we go for side stretch. Place your, okay, first we do the left side. Place your left hand behind your left foot. Right hand up straight. Stretch it up, up, up. Pull yourself. Very good. Exhale. Place your hand, your upper hand, that is your right hand, should be above your ear. Look up and see that you don't cover your face. Keep smiling. 1, 2, yes, there you are. Very good. 3, 4, yes. 5. Slowly. Come back. Right hand down behind your leg. Left hand behind your ears or on your ears. Don't place it on your cheek. Don't cover that beautiful face. And look up, all the way up. Inhale, exhale. 1, see that your chest is forward, abdomen slightly squeezed. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. Slowly come back. Hands down. Now we'll fold the right leg. Both hands up. Interlock your fingers. Stretch it up, up, up. And we bend to the left side. Chest forward. Look up. Both elbows straight behind your ears. Pull back, back, back. Yes, very good. You can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. We'll practice the same other side. Fold the left leg. Right leg is straight. Your spine is straight. Both hands up. Interlock your fingers. Palms facing the ceiling. Both hands are behind your ears. Stretch it up. Your spine is straight. Abdomen is pulled in. And exhale. Bend to your right side. Again check your spine. Look up. 1. Breathe in. 2. Breathe out. 3. 4. 5. Slowly come back. Good. And now we'll go for the butterfly pose, but you can face this side so that we can use the mat. Okay. So you come in butterfly where both your legs are meeting each other, your feet close to each other. Hold both your legs and swing your legs up and down. See that your back is straight. This exercise is very good for your thigh joints. Yes, look in front. Keep smiling. Yes, very good. Keep going, keep going. Good. Now, place both your hands on your knees. Press your knees. Look in front. Inhale, exhale. Bend forward, forward, forward. Touch the floor. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Now, take both your legs together. Slightly far from your hips. This should be inverted V. Place both your hands behind. We go for tabletop. Your elbows slightly bent. And now, we lift your hips up. Press your palms, press your feet, lift your full body up. And look back. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Good. And now from here, we will go for the boat pose. Keep your legs bent only. Place your hand behind. Lift your legs up. Find your right balance. Straighten your legs straight. If you are comfortable here, you can stay here. And if you are more comfortable, take your hands in front and stay. 1, 2. Focus on your abdomen. 3, 4, and 5. Good. And now from here, we'll again go to the butterfly pose. Good. Everyone, come in the butterfly pose. Yes. Chal. Now, again, 5 to 10 swings. Place both your hands on your knees. Press. Okay, here we can also have one variation. If you have a yoga block and if you are not able to bend forward, what you can do is you can just place the yoga block here. Place both your hands here. Inhale, exhale and go here. If you are still more, if you are able to go still down more, you can, this is vertical, you can place it horizontal and place your head here. Or the third option is you can place the block parallel to the mat. Inhale, exhale and down and stay there. If you are all the more flexible, you don't need the block. Inhale, exhale, put your forehead on the floor. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Yes. Now we go for the tabletop pose again. So again, stretch your legs in front. Be careful. This is your inverted V. Yes. Both hands behind. Your fingers are pointing your toes. Press your palms and slowly lift your body up. All the way up, up, up. Yes, very good. Up, strong hands. Look back. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale. 4 and 5. Slowly come back. Yes, good. And now from here, again we'll go for the boat pose. So, press your palms, lift your legs up, slowly, up, 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 up. Yes, lock your knees. And palms facing the legs, look in front, stay. 1, 2, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5. Good. Slowly, bend your legs, come down, both hands. You can place it on your knees and squeeze. Good. And now, one more variation in boat pose. What you can do is, hold both your toes, your back is straight and slowly try lifting your legs straight, 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 knee straight. Look in front and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Slowly bend your legs and down. Relax. And now from here, fold both your legs and come in downward facing dog. Both hands here. Lift your body up. Your knees are straight. Your elbows, your hands are straight. And slowly try to push your body inside. Both your knees are straight. Good. Keep pressing. Relax your spine. Yes. Press your heels on the floor. Good. Now lift your left leg up. Good. Bring your left leg in between your hands in front. Good. Now come in standing position. Your right knee is perpendicular. Left toe is pointing in the front left side and right toe is facing in front towards the camera. Your thigh is bent. Both hands parallel to your shoulders. See that your pelvic is facing in front. Both hands are parallel. Look left side and stay. This is Veerbhadrasana, second pose. Warrior form 2. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale. Push your stomach inside. 3, 4, 5. Good. Now place your right hand on your right knee. Bend backwards. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. Now take your left hand behind your left leg. Bend your left knee. The other hand is up. Look up. Extended triangle pose. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down and again go in downward facing dog. Now lift your left leg up. This is your right leg. Bring your right leg in between your hands. The same way that we did the other side. Warrior pose 2. So left leg, turn the left heel in. Both hands parallel to your shoulders. Your spine behind, look in front. See that you don't drag your body in front. Straight. Your body should be in center. Look the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on your left knee. Right hand upar. Reverse warrior pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extended triangle pose. Right hand behind your right knee. Left hand up. पीछे वाला पैर. The other leg is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your hand down. Again, downward facing dog. Good. Now again, lift your left leg up. Up, up, up. Bend the left leg and bring it between your legs. Yes. Take your toe outside. Good. Look in front. Place your hands near your thigh joints. And keep looking up. Yes. Bend forward, backward. 1, 2, 3, hands in front and head on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up and come back. Good. Again, press your palms, toes inside, lift your body up. Again, come in downward facing dog. Now take your right leg straight up. Bring your right leg in between your hands. Good. Toe out. See that your body is in middle. Place both your hands behind. Look up. Backward bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Walk your hands in front. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Again. Come back. Both hands in your original position. Toes inside. Press your palms. Downward facing dog. Good. Now, again, take your left leg. Bend the left knee up. Good. Place your left leg near your left hand. Your right knee down. Right toe outside. Now, try to straighten the left leg. Your left toe is up. Slightly take your leg in front. This leg, the right thigh is perpendicular to the floor. The left leg is straight. Your toes are pointing up. Place both your hands on the side. Look in front. Inhale. Exhale and down. Touch the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Come back. Place both your hands in front. Bend the left leg and slightly pull the right thigh behind. Now we'll go for low lunge. Your leg is, the knee and the ankle should be straight. Both your hands up, look up. This is low lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Again, go in downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up. Right leg in between your hands. Left knee on the floor. Left toe outside. Straighten your right leg. Both hands on the sides. Inhale, exhale and down. 1, 2, knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we go for low lunge. So bend your right leg. Place both your hands near your right foot. Push your thigh all the way down. Keep on pressing. Yes, good. And now take both your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Slowly come back. And again, downward facing dog. Good. Slowly go in upward facing dog or the cobra pose. All the way down, look up. Toes outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Again, go in downward facing dog. Upward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now come onto your knees. Your hands both on your hips. You can keep your toes inside. And now we'll go for gentle backward bending. So see that your spine right from your shoulder till your knees are body straight. Place both your hands on your hips. Push your hips in front and neck behind. Stay. 1. Slowly come back. Good. Come onto your knees, that is sit in Vajrasana. Both hands up, stretch it up. Exhale and down. Relax your spine, touch your head on the floor and relax.